This is Kellen with Mountains to Sound Home Inspection. I am down here in a crawl space, and you can see all this big water puddle, this pooling of water here. I was trying to figure out where it was coming from because there's no leaks in the drain lines, there's no leaks in the copper water lines. And then I noticed this gray water line here, and there's some water coming out of it, as you can see there. So there's this mini fridge above it with a drain line connected to it, and it's just draining down here into the crawl space and creating this pretty big puddle down here. So definitely something that you would want to get taken care of, as moisture definitely one of the biggest enemies to the home. So another good reason as to why to get a home inspection, to catch things like this. So that's all I have, and thanks for watching.